Go.
Alright, my name is Areeb Ahmed. I'm presenting a game that has been through my life. When I was a child, I played this game a lot in a Game Boy, so I kind of wanted to remake it and remind me what it was, kind of like that. So the most toughest part was for me to get the stars, like the lagginess kind of not go through, and then try to do some new stuff, and also add a physics, because I told my brother to play this game and he told me to put some physics and put some power-ups, and it didn't. I tried it, it didn't work. It took some more time, and sometimes if I add one thing, most of the code saying it's overwritten or something like that. So I tried my best to do something like this. So this is my game.
Oh man. Welcome to Spacecraft Adventure. Speed of play.
And your job is to...
Can you turn it down a little more?
Oh yeah.
I can't hear you.
Sorry.
There we go.
Job is to detect the inverted by from this meteor, and if you kill 10 of them, you will move to another level. Finish all of them.
It's a pretty good sprite there.
Yup, there you go.
So you were able to get the background off of it?
Yeah, it's basically space, so wherever you go, it will be in space somewhere.
No, I mean the background of like the plane.
Oh.
Like it's not like a white square, you know?
Oh yeah. But yeah, so basically you're doing that, and you will get scored by hitting the asteroids. That's kind of most of the plan was.
Does it go faster? Does it speed up or not?
No, I tried doing that with the left shift, but it wasn't working.
So do you have multiple levels? Or?
Yo, I have 3 levels.
So what happens in the next level then?
It's gonna multiply by 30, so...
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Basically, more asteroids you kill, more score you're gonna get. Yeah, like that.
Ah.
Yup.
And then you just press P to play again? And... Okay.
Yep.
Anybody want to play? Go ahead and turn the music down a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. We got the idea of the music. All right, you want to pick someone to play a game?
I want Herman to play this game.
Oh! The best game player in here.
Then you should present
Whatever,
this next year. This is basically
Gotcha.
done.
All right, let's see. Do I get to use arrow keys?
WSD.
Let's see, hold on. I'm going to press I for instruction. I for instruction.
Oh, I didn't. It was supposed to be not there. I didn't delete that. My bad.
Oh, so how am I supposed to know how to play?
P.
Well, yeah, but then I don't know what controls to use.
Oh.
Ah! Not those. Oh. Oh, AWSD. I can't do that. It makes me left-handed. Not left-handed.
That was my plan.
Your plan was to make Herman suffer?
Yup. That's why I asked him to play.
Miss it. Miss it. Pew. Pew. Oh, you died.
That's nice. You did 40. That's good. My high score was 2.
I'm awesome, I guess. Told you.
It seems like
But
it.
it's kind of in like a half.
All right. Anybody else want to play this game? Yeah, we're doing it. Video right now. Okay, let's give him a round of applause then.